as you can see right over here. So as for these deep powder jars, there's multicolor available. So it has multicolor
innovation, and
electroplated cap. We
sustainability.
have small
Our
MOQ for
advanced
this one,
manufacturing
and this is
process
available for
allows us to
stock.
create products with a
We have
wide
available
range
for
of raw
stock colors
materials,
such as
such as
silver
PE.
jar, which gives you that high clarity glass-like transparency. And custom printing or labeling brand decoration service is also available. So if you want to put your brand name here, we can definitely do that for you. All right, so there you go. So these products sell very well in the USA and European countries, especially for the nail industry. We've cooperated with many customers, whether big company or just small business sellers. Our service is of the same quality. As we are a factory, we can provide professional custom service, and you can put your own logo on the lid or on the jar. So you can put your own logo here on the top part or here on the jar itself. And again, we can customize we can customize the appearance